Number 23. The list shows some processes that take place in a human body. Which processes use energy released by respiration? So, the energy that is released by respiration is called ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This is a chemical substance that is used in many places in our body. For instance, it is used to produce new cells because, well, we need cells to live, right? So this is used to synthesize a few things, such as proteins, glucose, the carbohydrates and fats, and membrane and so on. So to produce new cells, yes, ATPs are needed. Transmission of nerve impulses from the eyes to the brain, yes, in order to send the signal via neurons, energy is required. However, 3. Diffusion of gases? No, we don't actually need any energy for the diffusion. Diffusion is passive transport. So passive transport does not need any energy. Only active energy does. So the answer should be A for this question.